we're going to take you around this site at this stage of construction to show you some of the techniques that are allowing us to work more efficiently. So on our last project we were at, and I'm sure we have some footage here, we have some site walls, and we've labeled them, stone and stucco, gabion walls, because the project has 3 different elements going on the site walls. And here we are, this is going to be the retaining wall for our clients. And you can see here what our super has done. So they come out, and this is really important that they understand from the front end. So they're understanding exactly what retaining wall is which. Some of them have different requirements from a footing size, from height, thickness, all those little elements go in. And so it's really important to understand and label. So we'll come through and we'll stake the site with our masons. We'll label each structural detail from the plans. And then we'll also come out and we'll lay out so that we can come core later. You can see here, we've done spray paint and we're showing, so our super's coming out and he's laying them exactly our drainage. What ends up happening on these retaining walls, we're gonna waterproof these walls. That's why you see the gaps. So we'll have to come through, we'll waterproof these walls, and then we're gonna core some drains here. And then we're gonna backfill this. So what'll end up happening as rain collects, over the year, I shouldn't say over the year, but when we have monsoons, that we have drainage. And so these are all dictated by the plans. And so it's not missed. We make sure it's spray painted, it's laid out, we tell them exactly where it's gonna be. And it's super important to label this so that each of our masons, there's no confusion, that they can come out and they can see all the specs, all the information, exactly where to core, exactly where to waterproof. We'll come back later and we'll spray paint a line here to show them exactly where we want them to waterproof. And it just allows us to not only be efficient if we're not on site and we need to direct them on the phone, but also that we don't have mistakes will end up costing us money in the long run. I'm Brad Leavitt, president of AFT Construction, and thank you for tuning in to our YouTube channel. Again, if this content speaks to you, we'd love you to share it. Definitely subscribe, like, and comment. It helps us a lot. And if there's any topics you want us to address, feel free to comment below.